Good morning, boys and girls. Everybody on the carpet. We're going to start the lesson. Today we will be talking about measurement, using math as measurement. Just like you guys, you might see your moms at home measuring to make pancakes, measuring when they wash your clothes so that you can come to school clean. Your dad measuring outside just to change the oil on your car. When she's baking a cake. Everything involves measurement. Not everything, but most of the things your parents might use at home involve measurement. Today we will be using several items that we have here in the classroom in your tables. For example, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, glue, and a book. On here we have, you will see that you have my estimate. My estimate means how many connector blocks you think you will use to measure the ruler. And then we will get out the connector blocks, measure the ruler, and we will put the number of the measurement. The measurement is how many blocks exactly did you use to measure, let's say, the pencil. For example, I might say maybe about 10 blocks. Then you measure it with the cubes and it's 9 blocks, 9 cubes long, okay? So that's what we will be doing. Now let me show you a small video of its measurement in length, inches, but they're using a ruler, but it's so that you can more or less understand what we are talking about when we are going to be measuring these items.
Backed by popular demand, Sutherland's early bird sale returns this Saturday at 7 a.m. Our colorful.
Using a ruler to measure inches. Can you help me learn to measure? Here's my problem. I wanted to figure out the length of my pencil. I tried to measure correctly, but I kept getting different answers. Let me show you what I did. My first try, I got 6 inches. Do you see something wrong? My second try, I got 8 inches. Do you see something wrong? On my third try, I got 18 inches. Do you see something wrong? Oh, I think I understand. So I have to make sure I line up the object with the ruler. I have to start right at 0, and I have to pay attention to the unit to make sure that I'm using inches and not centimeters. Okay, so let's see. I put my pencil straight across the ruler. I started right at 0. And I made sure that I was using inches and not centimeters. So the pencil is 7 inches long. Awesome! Thanks for helping me learn how to measure. Maybe when you try to measure, you can use these same rules.
Okay, this was more of rules on measuring. You cannot get the connector blocks and start way over here. It's not going to give you the right answer. You have to start from front to bottom, from top to bottom, from beginning to end. You have to measure the correct way. Like we saw the girl in the video. You can't measure this if you put the blocks like this, or if you start way over here. You can't. You have to start from beginning to end, from top to bottom, to get the correct measurements of any item that we will be measuring. Now, to take home today, we will be taking a handout with your parents. I want you to measure these 3 items only, okay? we're going to take a ruler home, and you're going to tell me how many how many inches we used on that ruler to measure a toaster, a cup where you drink water, juice, milk, and a, what can we use? A plate. How big a plate is, okay? You put it flat, measure it with your parents at home. And tomorrow we will bring that back and we're gonna check. I will bring items from home, those items, and we will check and see how we did. On Fridays, boys and girls, we are going to have a test using measurement. I'm gonna have certain items and you're gonna do it on your own. How many blocks I used, and on the paper we're gonna have the item that you will be measuring, but you're gonna do it by yourself with no help, okay? So let's go ahead and get into our groups and start measuring these. Go to your tables and we're gonna start measuring the ruler, the pencil, the glue, the scissors, and the book, okay? And then we're gonna come back to the carpet and see how we did on our measurements.